Chapter 1, Operating System. What is an operating system? An operating system is a set of programs that contain instruction for coordinating all the activity among computer hardware resource. For example, the operating system recognizes input from an input device such as the keyboard, mouse, microphone, or PC camera, coordinates the display of output on the monitor, instruct a printer how and when to print information, and manages data and instruction in memory and information stored on disk. A computer needs an operating system to work and provide a graphical user interface for higher level function. Let me explain to you. An operating system is a system software that manage computer hardware, software resource and provides common services for computer program. Okay. Next is some popular operating system. In the middle of 1970, when personal computers were introduced, Bill Gates came up with operating system called Microsoft Disk Operating System. Later, in 1990, Microsoft came up with GUI based operating system called Windows, starting from Windows 1.0 to Windows 3.1. Some popular operating systems are given below. Number 1, MS-DOS. MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. MS-DOS displays line of text on the screen. You perform tasks by typing text command. Today, DOS no longer is widely used because it does not offer a graphical user interface and it cannot take full advantage of modern 32-bit microprocessor. Means what is MS-DOS? MS-DOS does not support graphical user interface. It support only character user interface. Okay, it means no picture, no videos, no games, and DOS is a single user interface. It can perform only one action at a time. It cannot do multitasking. Okay, in short, this is the kind of operating system. In this, the user has to give a command through keyboard and there is no mouse. Initially, the computers that came were on this base. Next is Microsoft Windows. Microsoft developed Windows operating system that has a graphical user interface. Some of the popular Windows operating systems are Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows NT, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. As you all know that what is Microsoft Windows? The computer does not work if there is no window in the computer. Some Windows names are given here for example. Okay. Next is Mac operating system. It is a series of graphical user interface based operating system developed by Apple Inc. for their Macintosh line of computer system. The Macintosh user experience is credited with popularizing the graphical user interface. Next is Linux. It is a Unix based operating system that is available for free on the World Wide Web. It can be copied, modified and redistributed with few restrictions. This flexibility is one of the reasons why Linux is so popular among users. Means Linux operating system you can copy, you can modify, and because of this it is quite popular. Next is Unix. It is a multi-user, multitasking server operating system widely used as the master control program in workstation and server. Unix is capable of handling a high volume of transaction in a multi-user environment and working with multiple processors using multiprocessing. Many of the first computers used to establish the internet ran the Unix operating system. Even today, Unix is the most widely used operating system for servers on the internet. So, how does it work? Unix. So, it is a kind of multi-user, multitasking operating system. Even today, Unix is the mostly used operating system for servers on the internet. Next is the operating environment. The system that is used to interact with a computer is known as the user interface. There are two types of interface. Number one, command line interface. Number two, graphical user interface. Command line interface. A command line interface, also known as character user interface, is a means of interacting with a computer program where the user issues commands to the program in the form of successive lines of text. The command is usually typed on a keyboard. It must be entered correctly in order to get the work done. Example given here, you can see. Next is graphical user interface, that is GUI. With graphical user interface, the user select pictures, icons, select option from menus to communicate with the operating system. The icons and menus are self-explanatory. This type of interface is very popular as commands do not have to be memorized. So, next is before I read the next point, here given 4 points: windows and icons, menus, and pointers. Windows, the rectangular box on the screen. Icons, the pictures on the screen. Menus, the menus on the screen. Pointers, being able to use your mouse to select option. Functions of operating system. Operating system perform the following important functions. Number one, processor management. It means assigning processor to different tasks which has to be performed by the computer system. Number two, memory management. It means allocation of main memory and secondary storage area to the system programs as well as the user programs and data. Number third, input and output management. It means coordination and assignment of the different input and output devices while one or more programs are being executed. Number four, file system management. Operating system is also responsible for maintenance of a file system in which the user are allowed to create, delete, or move files. Number five, establishment and enforcement of a priority system. It means the operating system determines the maintain the order in which jobs are to be executed in the computer system. An operating system has three main responsibilities also. Number one, perform basic tasks such as recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the display screen, keeping track of files and directories on the disk, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. Number two, ensure that different programs and user running at the same time do not interfere with each other. Next is provide a software platform on top of which other program, that is application software, can run. Next is utility program. Most operating system includes several utility programs. It is a type of system software that perform a specific task, usually related to manage a computer, its device or its program. It is also called a utility. You can also buy stand-alone utilities that offer improvement over those included with the operating system. Some utilities are web page, sorry, some utilities are web-based utility services. To use them, you usually pay an annual fee that allow you to access and use the utility programs on the web. McAfee and Norton offer web-based utility service. So in this paragraph, what is utility program? Let me explain you. It is a system software used to perform maintenance type task. Types of utility program: file manager, antivirus program, backup and restore, and so on. Okay, so with this our chapter ends here. Multiple choice question. Number 1, MS-DOS stand for? Answer is Microsoft Disk Operating System. Number 2, which of the following operating system is developed by Apple Inc.? Answer is Mac operating system. Number 3, with graphical user interface, the user select. Answer both, means pictures and option. Number 4, operating system is responsible for? Answer is all of these. Number 5, CLI stand for? Answer is command line interface. State whether the following statement are true or false. Number 1, MS-DOS displays line of text on the screen. True. Linux is a Unix-based operating system that is available for free on the World Wide Web. True. A CLI is the one where the operating system uses a WIMP environment. False. Number 4, an operating system provides a software platform on top of which other programs can run. True. Utility program is a type of application software. False. Next, fill in the blanks. Number 1, answer number 1, operating system. Number 2, graphical. Number 3, Unix. Number 4, keyboard. Number 5, utility.